Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Hamza and I am a student of BS Textile Engineering from National Textile University. About today, in the front of you, I will discuss on the topic of basalt fiber. In my presentation, first of all, I discuss the history of basalt fiber. Basalt, the first attempt to produce a basalt fiber made in a United States in 1923 by Paul Liu in United States. They are further developed and researches the USA, Europe for used in military and aerospace applications. In and the further develop of basalt fiber in 1925 in 1995 basalt fiber has used for a wide range of civilian applications. In my next slide, I will discuss the introduction of basalt fiber. Millions years ago, eruptions from the center of the earth expelled on the numerous quality of lava. In content to atmosphere, lava has been cooled, creating the constituent planet. Later, a new eruption have still unknown phenomenon had been split the first constituent in the 2D structure. Basalt fiber is also known as a rock and virtually every country of the world. Raw material for producing basalt fiber rock for volcanic origin. In basic volcanic rock formed the frozen lava. Basalt is a name given to a wide varieties of volcanic rock which is grey. It occupies 1 over 3% earth crust. Brown or dark color are formed from volcanic after solidification. Similarly, the carbon fiber and the fiberglass, which is better physiochemical properties after the glass fiber, but which is safe but cheaper than the carbon fiber. In my next slide, I will discuss the what is basalt fiber. Basalt fiber is a material for extremely fine structure of basalt fiber, which is composed of the minerals poly, polyoxenes and olivines. It is similar to fiberglass, having better physiomechanical properties than fiberless glass, but cheaper than the carbon fiber. It is used for fireproof textile and the aerospace and automatic industries that can also be used composite produce product in the camera topper. And I will discuss the comparisons of basalt fiber with other fibers. Basalt fiber is relative to the fiber reinforced polymer and structural composite. It is similar chemical composition as glass fiber, has better strength characteristics and unlike most glass fiber is highly resistant to alkaline acid and salt attack, making to good candidate for concentrate bridge and shoreline structure. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Bilal Rasool. I am going to discuss the point basalt growth stages. First, we will discuss what basalt forming environments. There are three basalt forming environments. First one is basalt at oceanic divergent boundaries. Most of Earth basalt is produced at divergent plate boundaries on the mid-ocean ridge system. Here convection currents deliver hot rock from the deep in the mantle. This hot rock melt and divergent boundaries pull apart, and the molten rock erupts onto the seafloor. These these submarine fissures eruption often produce pillow basalt, and this is shown in the figure on the slide. Now my second point is oceanic hotspot. Another location where significant amounts of basalts are produced is above oceanic hotspots. These are locations where a small plume of hot rock rise up through a mantle from a hotspot on the earth core. The Hawaiian Islands are example of where basaltic volcanoes have been built above an oceanic hotspot. Now I will move to the third point, plums and hotspots below continents. The third basalt forming environment is a continental environment where a mantle plume or hotspot deliver enormous amount of basaltic lava through the continental crust and up to Earth's surface. These eruptions can be form either vents or fissures. They have produced the largest basalt flows on the continents. The eruptions can occur repeatedly over millions of years, producing layer after layer of basalt stacked in a vertical sequence. Now I am going to discuss manufacturing of basalt fiber. The first one is material preparation. This including the selection of suitable curing methods, logistic issues with regard to potential location for production. Type of matter in addition to the aforementioned include general mining and transportation expenses, power accessibility, power consumption and electricity cost calculations. Now my second point is melting of basalt rocks. The manufacture of basalt fiber required the melting of crushed and washed basalt rocks at about 1500 degrees centigrade. The molten rocks is then extruded through small nozzles to produce continuous filament of basalt fiber. Now my next point is how basalt is converted from lava into rock. Basalt is a type of igneous rock formed by rapid cooling of lava at the surface of a planet. It is most common rock in the Earth's crust. Basalt rock characteristics vary from source of lava, cooling rate, and historical exposure to the element. High quality fibers are made from basalt deposit with uniform chemical makeup. The earth mantle has a thin layer called sphere. This thin lava, when in contact with superficies, will create the basalt rock. In many places in the earth, it is possible to find great canyons and natural sculptures made in basalt by nature, as a result of long years of Earth's center temperature and pressure stabilization. Now my next point is from rock to fiber. The process of producing fibers from basalt is based on the selecting the richest chemical properties basalt rocks with the use of quality test, crushing the rocks and melting to high temperatures. The melted basalt falls from specific calculated hole where its temperature gradually decreases and form a yarn which thickness reduces over the cooling process where it gets rolled on rolling.
Physical property of basalt fiber. First one is fiber length. In physical property, the most important is the fiber length on which the quality of yarn depends. For cotton, if the fiber length increase, the quality of yarn will be good, but this is just opposite for wool fiber. Fiber length of basalt fiber. As the length of basalt fiber increase, the development of early shrinkage cracks decrease initially and then increase slowly, and the optimal fiber length is 18.0 millimeter. Fiber length of jute fiber. For jute is commonly around 6 cm, so that for example 92% of fiber exceeds 0.5 cm in length and 84.6 exceed 1.0 cm. The next one is strength. The capacity of a fiber to support a load is known as fiber strength. This strength is described by density. Density is equal to strength over linear density. It is expressed as Cn over Tex. And next one is the strength of basalt fiber. One of the major concern is that major strength of basalt fiber is significantly lower than its theoretical value 3000 to 4840 MPa. This is due to the existence of defects in the form of scratches. Strength of flex fiber. The tensile strength of technical fiber bundle was found to depend strongly on the clamping length. The tensile strength of elementary flex fiber was found to range between 1500 MPa and 1800 MPa depending on the isolation procedure. Then elasticity. It is a property to recover from deformation. The fiber may be elastic or plastic, which depends upon the fiber condition and surrounding environment. Elasticity of jute fiber is 10 to 30 GPa. Elasticity of basalt fiber 85 to 87 GPa. Then cross section. Cross section is also the physical property of basalt fiber. The cross section of the fiber determines the physical properties of fiber. It gives ideas about strength, fineness that varies from fiber to fiber. The cross section shape of a fiber is important because it contributes to the surface appearance of the fiber. Chemical property of basalt fiber. First one is thermal resistance. Thermal resistance is a heat property and a measurement of a temperature difference by which one object of a material resists a heat flow. Thermal resistance is a reciprocal of the thermal conductance. Thermal resistance of PBI fiber. PBI is a fiber which is which has a very high melting point and does not readily ignite due to its expansion, chemical and thermal stability. Thermal resistance of basalt fiber. The basalt fiber has excellent thermal stability below 300 centigrade and its tensile strength increases from 1530.7 to 1823.1 MPa after 6 hours, whereas that of glass fiber decrease. It also shows better strength retention than glass fiber after calculate and 400 centigrade. Basalt are most stable in strong alkalis, weight loss in boiling water. Basalt fiber have very good resistance against an alkaline environment with the capability to withstand pH up to 13 to 50. It also have good acid and salt resistance. Melting point. Melting point of temperature at which the solid and liquid forms of pure substance can exist in equilibrium. As heat is applied to a solid, its temperature will increase until the melting point is reached. Melting temperature of basalt fiber. Melting point of basalt fiber is 1450 centigrade. Basalt fiber are inorganic fiber. They do not burn and the melting point is around 1350 to 1450 centigrade. Melting point of flax fiber is 190 centigrade. The in-plane behavior for flax fiber under different tensile speed over PA melting temperature at 190 centigrade. Then applications. In 1990s, it was first time a Japanese automobile industry come in contact with Kia Industries for making a new exhaust system. It was done on a purpose as the engine of new model had a higher temperature of oxidation under which fiberglass, which has traditionally used for those purpose, was destroyed. Heat resistant basalt fiber was used in Toyota's car mufflers. Basalt can be used in tubes, bar, pipe seating, internal heat and sound insulation of floor walls, frame walls, boiler shells, tanks, chimneys, fire protection structure, etc. due to strong application in construction material. Basalt composite material can be used to transport cohesive liquid material, whereby these composites can be produced in the same plants where fiberglass pipes are produced. However, basalt composite pipes are much stronger than those made of fiberglass. Then basalt have a good electrical and sound insulating properties and chemical resistance. Basalt fiber have a wide range of applications areas due to the superior characteristic, excellent thermal, electric and acoustic insulation. Basalt fiber are able to surpass and thus replace E-glass, R-glass, S-glass in almost all applications.